got a little doggy.
Today.
That's kind of cool.
They got rearview mirrors and shit.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, you're right. They got lights on there. Yeah.
2020 Buggy.
It is. That's it. Getting those wasps. Gonna get a video of this old Cadillac. He got in that pickup truck. Amish guy. I didn't missed it on the video. They're driving off. There's his horses right there. Going across this old bridge out here in the sticks. Alright. This is a barn. And they're drying out tobacco in that barn. Tobacco. Where were we in? Tennessee still? It's Tennessee. There's been like a bunch of barns out here. There's smoke's coming out. And there's
Smoke's all in our car. And
it is, man.
it's coming.
It's like, see, it's coming out of the car right here. It's floating away. But there's smoking that tobacco in there, drying it out. Might be able to see it on the back side here in a minute. Probably not.
I think they gotta even close.
This thing's like sealed up in there, right? We've driven by, but you can see like the tobacco hanging in there,
Yeah, they got logs and stuff on them.
holding it shut. Yeah. Huh.
Smell it.
Smells like tobacco.
Like barbecue shit.
Barbecue? Like barbecue. Here it is. I
Barbecue.
smell it, man.
Yeah, it
They gotta
smells
come
like,
out the edge of that
smells
building.
like barbecue.
It's cool, man. That's it. There we go. That's Justin there, y'all.
What's up, baby?
That's it. Man, it's like smoke like all over. It's going out in this field. I smell it now.
Yeah.
Smell that? Yeah. Smells pretty good.
Is this all right?
Dude, I'm just making a video.
Just give him some space.
He got his little doggy in there too.
Yeah.
That's cool. He's got a little doggy.
Today.
Guy just got in the truck, that Amish guy. He left his horses in the buggy. Right there. He got in that pickup truck. Amish guy. I didn't missed it on the video. They're driving off. But there's his horses right there. Just,
Old-fashioned way. Told you.
yeah. There they are.
Look like cutting the grass or something.
Huh. Yeah. Yeah, he hopped in the pickup truck and left his horses.
They got little short tails. What kind of horses are?
I don't know. They're pretty big. They're just sitting there. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't get the guy leaving in his pickup truck, but I got the pickup truck driving off. Huh. Yeah, there's like an old barn over there. Like tons of old barns out here. That's kind of cool.
They got rearview mirrors and shit.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, you're right. They got lights on there. Yeah.
2020 Buggy and carriages.
It is.
Put some blades on that bitch.
Here we go. What's it middle? That's cool, man.
Damn, I can't believe that damn horse is really carrying their ass.
That horse is kicking it, man. How fast he going? Like 10 miles an hour?
Lord, I got good footage.
That's
I don't
good.
wanna bother these folk.
So what do we want to do?
They just go slow, man. Kick it.
Is this the route that we're going?
Yeah, yeah. Keep
All right.
going. I'll tell you
Cool.
when to make a left.
All right. That was one of the kids would turn around looking at us.
He's like, look at that devil holding that thing in his hand.
It's the work of Satan.
Work of Satan.
There we go.
Bless us.
Back off a little bit. He got the big hat like Cullen Bohannon, the guy driving. Bigger than Cullen's, I think. I could go around if I want.
Yeah,
You go around? All right, that's it.
If you want more footage, get it.
That's cool. Missouri River. Don't let me smash the sides.
Seriously.
Which I almost did on this old bridge.
That's on the fucking
Man, I can't see.
bridge.
Look down there. Look down there, y'all. It's the Missouri River. This thing's huge down here.
It goes all the way into Kansas City.
Dang. Look at those barges over there, man. See that? You got that coal on it? That's a narrow bridge, man. Wow. There's the Ohio River. Part 2. These two rivers meet right here somewhere. I guess over to the right. Must be over there. Look at those coal. That is cool. I guess that's where the Ohio and Missouri meet down there.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Did you hear that? Say welcome to Kentucky.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Yeah. Tennessee River.
Every day happy and time of land.
This guy's got tons of flags. A wide variety too. Where are we? Missouri? Springfield, Missouri. Some on the end down there. I can't. Oh yeah. Lots of flags.
He saw or didn't see it. It was about who I am and who I intend to be. I belong here as much as anybody else. Okay, so looking back on that moment, what do you think you
I
learned?
think there's a postage down
I
there.
think there are a few
Tell them
things.
about it.
One,
Oh, there's something right there.
humiliation isn't permanent. So you're
1929.
young, you think of each moment of just embarrassment as this permanent, and it stops us from trying so many
Still
things.
going?
I was humiliated
That is cool.
by a guard. He was a state trooper, and he felt it was in his power to diminish me. And while he did have the effect of
That's cool.
erasing what
Gonna get a video of this old Cadillac. $9,900. I don't know what year it is. Oh, here's the year. 1948. Huh. We're here in Springfield, Missouri. Just have to be driving by this thing. $1948. It is a limo. It is a limo. Thought it looked like freaking huge. I dropped those, man. Damn.
Fuck this site.
There we go.
Oh, don't fucking hurt yourself, Jerry.
That's right. Go ahead, walk through. I'm making videos. I can't. All right. Here it comes.
Tell me how to skateboard, but this place got like all the flow in the world.
All right. There we go. That was cool.
shit probably like 2 months straight. I could probably skateboarding. I ain't fucking a pro, but I can definitely ride. Oh, that was smooth, bro.
What up, man? All right. I'm gonna have to do that here in a minute. Going across this old bridge out here in the sticks. Look at this. No kidding. Look at this. Oh my God. All right, here we go. There wasn't a warning sign. What do you think?
I think we fucking like be saying our final goodbyes.
You think so?
Nah, go, Ross. I'm just fucking around.
Alright. Dude. My God. Dude, I've never been across a bridge like this.
Yeah, this motherfucker right here.
Seriously. Oh my gosh. Dude, I've never even been across a bridge like this. And my dad lives way out in the country. Oh my gosh.
We made it around this.
That's it. Getting those wasps.
That is one way.
Wow.
Coming. Works every time.
That's cool. That's what you use when you don't have wasp spray.
Oh, no, I'll bring it down.
Carburetor cleaner.
It explode. It sparks on the ground. That goes on
Oh. Dang. Alright. That's how you get rid of wasp on a cell tower. Snake on the road in Kansas. Here we go. Doesn't seem to be too bothered. But if I got out, he would. He doesn't have a triangular head, though. Look at that. He hasn't moved. He's just sitting there. Wonder what he is. Alright, I'm gonna go pick him up. He moved in. He's still there though. Alright.